that easy, stocked as you see it, in a few different colors. This one has dual motor, power headrest, separate controls. This is incredible. Come check it out. The swivel rocker is absolutely stunning. Look at this double stitching, top grain leather everywhere, not just where you touch. Absolutely gorgeous. I start from the bottom, get that open, pull the foam out. This is a leather protecting cleaner. Tip it up. Use that for your trash. This is going to be your back. Also, where your back connects is right here. These protective coverings toss. I'm going to be showing you the battery, but this is how you normally hook it up to the wall. Flip it this way. Get this lined up. There's 2 arrows. You're going to line them up and push them together. Take off those protective coverings. Get it right in these slots and feed it down until you hear the clicks. Now with this, I'm going to feed it back up in here for the battery. So this will be the battery. Good for about 250 uses. Put that right there. Now this is if you want to release it to be a full rocker recliner. This is our favorite.